Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 58. In today's session, we will see pattern number 59. In the last pattern, what we have done, we have printed the value of A, B, C, D in the first row. In the next row, only A, B, C, D. In the next row, only A, B, C, like that. In lowercase alphabets, we have printed. But here, my scenario is I want to print uppercase. That means capital A, B, C, D, A like this. Then A, B, C, D. Okay. So next A, B, C, next A, B, next A. Like that, we have to print. Let us see how we are going to implement this. Only change is nothing but 96 is the ASCII value of a small a, but we have to take ASCII value of capital A. What is the ASCII value of capital A? 65, right? So if you replace this with the 65, automatically you are going to get. I think X value is not required here. Let us cross check. Sir, you can see we are getting PC something like that. That means so it is not printing from the value. One second. I think better you can take from 64. Okay. Now you can see. Sir, is it coming? Yes. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D like that. In every row, we will start with 64 plus what will be the value of J? 1. So 64 plus 1, 65 corresponding ASCII value. Like that it is going to print. This is nothing but how to print these characters in capital letters in the row wise. I think you people got a very clear clarity about this. Okay. Right. Thank you, friends.